It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Yes, let me be the first to tell you, our viewers, a Merry, Merry Christmas. Even though many of us not seeing the llama, but there's life, and that's enough to have a merry one. Welcome to the PBCJ's Evolve. This week, we have Cardi B and Offset visits to Jamaica, Burna Boy Love the Money Tour, Trinidad and Jamaica stop, East Shelly-Xmas highlights, new music, and enough more. I'm your host, Alicia. Stay with me for the update. Jamaica's always been a celebrity couple's best spot. Well, Cardi B and Offset, it's their favorite place, especially for American celebrity hip-hop artist Cardi B. So it wasn't surprising that they celebrated rap star husband Offset's birthday from the trio group Migos on our small island. But it was more than just a celebration. It was back-to-back events and excursions. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. And one thing these pictures definitely told us was that the celebrity couple enjoyed themselves. Here are a few pics. Jamaican-bred rapper Stefflon Don turned 31 on December 14th, and she celebrated African style. It was an African royal event dubbed Don's Afro Royal. The Don looked stellar and beautiful as always. Take a look. It's been a long wait for Rihanna fans who desperately wanted to see what her young king's features looked like. She gave birth in May of this year. Wow, now that's a hard 7 months worth of wait for her fans. The Bayesian business mogul Rihanna and hip-hop star A$AP Rocky Baby finally revealed their son to the world via social media on Saturday, December 17th. All I've got to say is that it's cuteness overload.
Ooh. I'm trying to get my neck on.
Her Excellency Angie Martinez, the ambassador of the Dominican Republic to Jamaica, held an official reception commemorating the 58th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the Dominican Republic and Jamaica on Thursday, December 15. Here's a bit of what took place.
What a beautiful night it is. It is wonderful to see so many dear faces that were totally unknown when we arrived here in Jamaica, but who throughout these almost 2 years have become dear friends and family. It is a blessing to be able to close the year by celebrating the 58th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Jamaica and the Dominican Republic. Precisely at this most wonderful time of the year when family and friends gather together to share and reflect love and friendship. Tonight, yes, we commemorate the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations with Jamaica, thanking all those who have joined us and who, through their valuable support, have allowed us to gain so many achievements in such a short time. Successes which are, no doubt, laying the foundations for a new, fresh, and reviving era of our bilateral relations. The relationship between the Dominican Republic and Jamaica, it is a long-standing one spanning centuries and was solidified on December 4, 1964 with the establishment of diplomatic ties, courtesy of two great men, our first constitutional president, Professor Juan Bosch, and the Sir Alexander Bustamante, whose friendship brought two sister countries closer together and began what has become a beautiful and blossoming relationship. Over these 50 years of friendship and a strong commercial relationship, we have seen the great potential to increase, consolidate, and leverage this relationship and take it to new horizons. In recent times, both our nations have taken important steps to strengthening and foster the ties of friendship. However, there is much more that can be done, and we are at the right time to advance and build together a new and a better era between our two countries. It is with this belief and understanding that the government of our President, His Excellency Luis Abinader, has made it his core mission to build out a renewed and a stronger relationship with the Caribbean, particularly with Jamaica, as its most important regional partner.
An absolute pleasure to join you this evening to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Jamaica and the Dominican Republic. Let me begin by extending deep appreciation on behalf of the government and people of Jamaica to my counterpart, Minister Roberto Alvarez, to Ambassador Martinez and her team, and indeed to all those persons who have contributed to the deepening of our bilateral relations and our strong bonds of friendship. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Jamaica and the Dominican Republic are close neighbors, both blessed by the warmth of our beautiful Caribbean. In addition to our geographical proximity, we recognize our shared values, history, and mutual respect. Since December 1964, our countries have built a broad partnership and have worked together to spur economic growth, reduce poverty, and drive development in our respective countries. We've made significant strides working together through the establishment of bilateral agreements, memoranda of understanding, and high-level exchanges that have promoted mutually beneficial cooperation in areas including investment and trade promotion, multi-destination tourism, and air services. This 58th anniversary provides us with the opportunity to proudly celebrate over 5 decades of accomplishments and, importantly, allows us to set the tone and direction for further collaboration in the years ahead. To this end, we hope to encourage new areas of engagement, including deeper business partnerships between our respective private sectors as a complement to our ever-growing relationship in the political, economic, cultural, and social spheres. The signing of the multi-destination agreement in November and the recent inaugural launch of Arajet Airlines with bi-weekly non-stop direct flights from Santo Domingo to Kingston have injected new dynamism into our partnership. If I may say so, Ambassador's energy alone has also injected a new dynamism into our partnership. And we look forward to continuing to work together to increase our people-to-people ties. May the relations between the Dominican Republic and Jamaica continue to forge ahead through mutual respect, determination, resilience, and unity.
Stay with us. We'll be right back with more PBCJ's Evolve. And we're back with more PBCJ's Evolve. I can't shake the feeling that it's Christmas. You like my shirt, right? Big up to Lit Fits. I'm your girl, Alicia. Peep this. Love the money. Yes, I said it. We promised to be there and we are here to deliver. A preview of the Trinidad and highlights of the Jamaican leg of Burna Boy's Love the Money tour. He said that the Jamaican leg felt like a homecoming. The Jamaica National Stadium was on fire as the lovely Miss Kitty hosted the show with a musical prelude by DJ Narity, who got the crowd ready for what was to come from the Nigerian singer, songwriter, and song producer Burna Boy, who gave a performance like no other. From having Leela IK and Popcorn as official acts on the show, the fans got a little bit more. Popcorn brought on the great Beres Hammond and his lovely beauty queen, Tony Ann Singh, who gave an amazing performance. I, for one, can definitely say that the crowd was pleased, despite audio technicalities, which the organizers totally apologizes for. Here are the highlights.
I could do, put me something into you, and let it do, get a pretty life.
Portlanders, we are back in your parish with another banging restaurant. Food is straight A+. Talk about food that creates a party on your taste bud. 10 out of 10 will definitely recommend the hit strip. Take a look.
Hi, this is Sean, restaurant manager for the Apeship Ultra Lounge. The Apeship Ultra Lounge is a local and international bar, restaurant and lounge, providing a mesmerizing and aesthetic cultural dining experience while overlooking the panoramic view of Port Antonio. Some of the unique features that we offer here at the Apeship Ultra Lounge are free Wi-Fi for all of our customers, a digital menu. We have a mixologist with over 30 years experience that can make any drink of your choice. We also have a sports bar for you to come and watch your favorite games. whether it be cricket, football, or basketball. We also have a unique menu that offers a wide variety of cultural delicacies: Italian, American, Caribbean, and Jamaican. Some of the other services that we offer are like the birthday celebration, where we sing the happy birthday for you, which is more renowned. We also complement that with a drink. Other services that we offer are anniversaries, baby showers, and business meetings. We're a fairly new restaurant. We've just been open since June. The inspiration behind the Apeship is kind of complex. While the building was being built, we really didn't have an idea of a restaurant. However, during the building stage, we looked at the view, and after being in the restaurant business, we thought it would be best to bring a fine dining restaurant to Port Antonio. So that's the inspiration behind it. The response has been overwhelming. We do have some raving fans and raving customers. If you look at the review on Google, you'll see that we're a 5-star restaurant. Not only that, you can also see the postings on Instagram and other social media sites. You can find us on all social media platforms at the Apeship Ultra Lounge. You can contact us by phone 876-544-1270. We are located at 25A Folly Road, Port Antonio, about 2 minutes out of town, just before you reach the Folly Oval.
The show just nice, man. Oh gosh, but don't move. We'll be right back with more right after this break. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I know you guys get it. Yes, it's Christmas. I'm excited. I am a Christmas season type of girl. Can you tell? Welcome back to PBCJ's Evolve. I am your festive host, Alicia. East Shelly-Xmas at the National Stadium on Saturday, December 17 was a vibes unmatched. As I would always call it, the fire party was pretty much blazing on all levels of vibes. Here are the highlights.
So where you're at, the big bad East. And when you see East, you know what that means. Fire can't stop. And music can't done. Vibes can't done. But don't just listen to me now. Here are the highlights. What is the concept behind East?
I can be very honest with you. The concept behind East was just, the whole out just there one day and say, Oliver East or keep someone named East. And we just realize the party, what do you want to bring it back to when people there enjoy themselves a party. So with the fire now, we just remember Little and a group say, yo, fire their party. People enjoy themselves, people dance, and we interact with the crowd. So that's just we just love interact with the crowd, love show people say, yo, this is party, and I don't come to stand up and look on each other, and not come to stand up and pose and watch what people do. Just enjoy yourself.
But man, like every year, when I have it like, people come and them enjoy themselves. I've been to multiple East other than covering it today, and I've always enjoyed myself at East. So what is the sauce behind keeping it just consistent?
Honestly, I just think it's our personalities all meshed into this. It's just like, it's what we want. So we're trying to give people what we want, what we expect out of party, as I said. So I just think it's our personality. The people actually say, yo, them come for party with we, because we're up on the stage, we're a bonfire, we are jump up and down, we did have a flag, but fire flag mash up. So I just really that.
All right, so anything to expect in 2023 from the East team?
Can't tell you, I have to just keep that surprise.
Wow. Wow. All right, Jevi, you're going good.
Thank you. Really appreciated it.
Let's solar vibes. It's Christmas and the festivities can't happen without sweet melody, and we got some new music for you. This week we feature Shano with Wicked People, Nyla Blackman with Calypso Baby, Gramps Morgan with Butterfly, Elaine with If I Have Faith, Egyptian featuring Serrani with She Got It, and a piece of special music added, Cranium featuring Queen Naija with Without You. Take a look.
Collect everything out of the clip. Once it don't finish, make no sense to tell them finish. Chat them got no limit. Bad mind boy hate me, yet them girl love see me. Tell them keep them here, don't see me, don't see me, don't see me.
I press in between and I rockin' anything. Somewhere in a jam, baby. Somewhere in a jam. Oh baby, oh. I can go nowhere now.
Where you're meant to be. Fly, 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 butterfly.
At the top of a mountain, the next climb begins. In this journey of turns and twists, you'll hit and miss, but still, never you give in, no, no.
The way that she's dining, she got me, she got it up. Oh. Yeah. And the way that she's moving, she got me up.
Have a Merry Christmas to you and yours from the Evolve team. I'm your forever girl, Alicia, and you've just watched another festive episode of PBCJ's Evolve. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Also, if you have a story to share, email us at asteel@pbcjamaica.org. Thanks to Hair Addiction Collections for my hair each and every week. Follow them on Instagram at Hair Addiction Collections. Thanks to Litfits for my sweater. I could have come this week and don't have something festive for you. Follow them at Litfits on Instagram. And enough blessings and big up you on this festive season, my viewers from the Evolve team. Remember to live an entertaining lifestyle.